So what's the big deal about big data? Well, that's a question we ask attendees at this year's Financial Brand Forum.
We're a believer in big data. I'm a believer in big data. I believe in the data tells us something about our customers that we ought to be able to then help meet a need they have by looking at how they're interacting financially.
The power of big data is going to be able to really know where you are, what you're doing, and proactively be able to recommend what would be a good decision on your part financially.
If you're talking about super large amounts of data, even if it's existing type data, then I'm not so sure banks are going to use that, because that drives macro. If you know what millions and billions of consumers are doing on a daily basis, then maybe you can start to glean trends about, where's the market moving kind of stuff. But for the individual bank, what are they really going to do with that?
Frankly, I think a lot of marketers, unfortunately, especially at the smaller and the mid-sized institutions, are not up to speed on big data yet. So I think right now they need to be delivering the groundwork to get to be able to utilize big data in the right kind of way.
It is going to be essential that credit unions and financial institutions really understand more about their customers and about what their needs are, so that they can really go in and zero and target them, because going in with mobile and a lot of other digital avenues, it's going to be essential that they are able to push the offer and to be able to talk to them as individuals and not just a mass of people.
Now, I believe big data is what will deliver a humanized experience in a humanized digital economy. But many financial institutions are not even close to tapping into the vast insight that big data will provide. So my recommendation is this: start with small data, learn from the implementation of it, and then grow from there.